Welcome back to the channel. So today, let's get straight on with it. I'm going to review the Scooch Wingman case. I've got two to show you. These were sent to me for free to test out, evaluate, etc. I do not get paid for this. They don't get to see the video, normal stuff. And there's no referral links in any of my videos, so I don't get any paid commissions, whatever. So I can do an honest review. So this is just one of their products. It comes from all the Galaxy range. In fact, they're also for iPhones and other brands of phones. And let me just put it on. 1, 2, clips in. That is, well, yep. Okay, first time I've used this one on my S25 ULTRA. Let's take you through the case. And why do I like this case? Every year I review this case, every year it seems to get slightly better as well. First, I'm a person that likes grip on the sides, and this one does have it. I've mentioned before, a lot of the cases, when you look at them on Amazon and other sites, it looks like it's got a grip, but they're printed. This has a real grip. Hopefully you can hear that. Okay, so the grip goes all the way along here. Lovely buttons. This one's got a nice little clicky feel to it. It's got indentations. Bit more of a grip here. You'll also notice on the four corners, because it has drop protection, it bulges out, giving extra protection, because it does seem a phone will often drop on the corners like so. Excellent full drop protection. I'll give you a few technical specs along the way as we go. Again, the grip goes all the way along, which I like. A lot of them just put it there, but quite often you hold it like so, and I want the grip everywhere. The pen cutout is lovely. Can you see that? It actually is cut here and here, but still gives you the protection on the edge. The pen would probably drop out, but they would do in any case. But you've got the protection sticking out here and here. Lovely, perfect cutouts, and a nice big cutout for the USB-C. But let's talk about the other things that it also has. This one is the black case. And this is what makes it different from all the other cases. It's not MagSafe compatible, but it doesn't need to, because you've got this one feature, which I'll peel off in a second, and it just becomes a stand, vertical, like that, or horizontal. Fantastic. Also, you can hold it like so. So if you're doing selfies, you just want to be a bit more secure, and that's not going anywhere. Very firm. And it's a little thing that you can keep on doing this as long as you like. If you take this off, let me just, and it's quite firm because it's brand new, but it just eases off a little bit. Now you've got full wireless charging. Excellent. Put it back. It clips back in. The other thing is, this also will go on to a car vent like so, so you can use it when you're in a car. That is also magnetic. There's an accessory for this that you can buy that sticks in your car permanently, and that's magnetic. So even though it looks bulky, which it isn't, but you've got it all built in. Any MagSafe compatible magnetic gadget that would attach will be bigger than this. So that's great. I love the feel of this one. This is the black one. It seems to have a bit more texture and a bit more grip than a lot of the other cases out there. But it's not, you could actually, hold on, let me see if I scrape it there. You can hear it's got a nice little texture there. No fingerprints. Great camera protection all the way along here. So if you did drop it, and that actually gives you more camera protection. And hardly any wobble. I mean, they have a range of colors for these. I'll put those over here. The same company. Let me just show you this one. They also sent me. I'll pull that out. Nice packaging. Look at that. This one is fiber, carbon fiber design. Very, very nice. The prices are between 40 and 50 bucks, but don't forget that does include this. And look at this thing. I think you're going to get this as well. If you just pay for shipping, you get a free screen protector. Voila. I think that's it. So it gets my highest recommendations, but look at that, beautiful. And it also, if you put it down flat, and if it drops flat, it's not, the screen is not being touched. It should work with any screen protector, glass or otherwise. The same company, by the way, also make, just give a little mention here, they make screen protectors, lens protectors, they make wireless chargers, wall chargers, leads, 4-in-1, so you could use it for your iPhone, Apple, Samsung, USB-C. That's about it. I got more cases coming up, but this gets a whole thumbs up for me. Very beautiful, look at that, very nice. And look at that. It's just fun, and you just peel that off now. Now I've finished the video.